Hello children, this page is the second part of first page in your textbook. Attitude is altitude, that lesson. Page number 3. It is the continuation of the first page. Let's start. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. Actually, Nick was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now he lives in Los Angeles. It is in California. He told he was lost without his this small foot which he has in his left hip. If it was not there means he could not able to get independent, could not able to get succeed in his life, because he used it to play, to write, and as his hand and leg. He called it laughingly, in jokingly he called it his chicken drumstick. Chicken drumstick means lower part of the leg of the chicken. I think it is cooked. That is why he called his leg, small foot, which he had in his left hip. Now next, due to his fate as an evangelical Christian, Nick had chosen to remain a virgin until marriage. Nick was Christian. He is now also alive. Nick is Christian and he believe evangelical means the book of Christian Bible. According to that, man should not go in relationship before marriage. So Nick also chosen the life to remain virgin. He would not go any relationship before marriage. What a one should go after marriage with his and her spouse. Okay, now next. He is very modest. Modest means shy, S-H-Y, shy, or humble. But he gets marriage proposal from women all the time, said Nick's friend and publicist Steve Appel from Los Angeles. One of the friend of Nick, he told, whose name is Steve Appel. He is a journalist. He told Nick is very modest, but he was getting lot of marriage proposal from the lot of women. But it means he has a friends, but he did not keep any relationship before marriage because he chosen to remain virgin. Now next, he would love to get married and start a family, but he is waiting for the right girl to come along. Actually, it doesn't mean he does not want to do marry. He wanted to do marry, but he was waiting right girl would come to his life who would able to accept him in this condition and help her in his life to get him success. Now next, water sports aren't Nick's only things. He also play golf with a club. Club is a thick stick. One end is thicker than the others. Like this stick is there, which is used to play the golf. Nick was very fond of water games. He was not only playing games, but he also plays the golf. And how he was playing the golf? Now next one. He now tucked under his stick, and he is the huge fan of the England Premier League. The stick, golf stick, he kept tucked means kept under his chin, and he then play the golf, and he was the very interested, and he is now still he is very interested the football, England Football Premier League. It is the Premier League is connected to the football match. Now next, his father decided not to send him to a special school. A decision he said was a very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. They miss his parents. Now, because every relative and friend suggested his parents join him in the special school, and because he was taught, so he was disabled person, he is a disabled person, so but his parent decided him not to send in special school. He joined him in a mainstream school like your school, where the normal children study. And now Nick is telling that decision was very hard, because it is very difficult to compete with normal student with a handicapped, because he was taught, so he has no hand and leg. But afterwards he is telling that decision was the best decision their parents made for him, because that decision only made him independent. Independent means what? Independent means one should able to feed or look after their family. Now you are not independent, because your all need fulfilled by your parents. You are dependent to your parents for your needs. Okay, thank you.